Maya has two businesses. One is Prakshapatmika Shakti, one is Avarnatmika Shakti. Avarnatmika is most of the people covered and they sleep below the deep slumber of Maya. They don't even know we are not body, we are spirit soul. They don't even know about any pleasure or service to Krishna. That is called Avarnatmika. The other thing is Prakshapatmika Shakti, which actually misleads us and drags us away from the association of devotees into nothingness. So, if person is not under the shelter, therefore, when we stay in the temple, actually we are in the shelter of Vaishnavas. We are protected, we are guided, we are inspired. The association inspires us, association infuses. We don't even know